Ready? Start. Para. The petitioner is the original complainant. He filed one criminal application number 234/2017 before Judicial Magistrate First Class (Court number 3) Parbhani. Said application was dismissed by the learned magistrate. Therefore, present revision is preferred. Learned advocate for the revision petitioner submitted that the petitioner filed complaint against the accused that the accused were his tenants till 31/3/2013. Thereafter, they had to shift in another premises, but they continued to remain in their property. At that time, they agreed that they would pay compensation of rupees 18,000 per month. Accordingly, they paid compensation during the period from 1/4/2013 to 31/3/2014, but they did not pay remaining amount. Therefore, the complainant lodged complaint before the police station Parbhani on 3/1/2017, but they did not take any kind of action against them. Therefore, notice was issued to the accused. The accused replied the said notice. The petitioner replied on 1/4/2017 along with said reply notice. Respondents 2 to 4, that is accused, gave one Isar Pauti. Actually, said Isar Pauti was not executed by the present petitioner. Said Isar Pauti is forged document, and it shows that the accused respondents 2 to 4 created said forged document in order to cheat the present petitioner, and therefore the petitioner made application to police station Parbhani on 24/4/2017. They did not take action. Hence, the application was given to Superintendent of Police on 11/5/2017, but the learned trial court did not consider that the allegations against the accused are that they prepared forged document. Learned trial court under misbelief that the petitioner filed application for recovery of rent. Therefore, it is necessary to issue directions to PSO Police Station Parbhani to register the crime and investigate the matter. In spite of repeated call, no one appeared for respondents. Para. On perusal of record, it finds that accused numbers 2 to 4 were tenants of petitioner. Their tenancy came to an end on 31/3/2013. Respondents 2 to 4 continued to remain in possession and paid the rent till 1/4/2014. No doubt that they remained on property even after 1/4/2014. He did not make an application for recovery of rent or accused cheated by not paying the rent, but it is the case of petitioner that respondent 2 to 4 prepared one document which was not executed by the complainant, which is alleged as Kararnama or Isar Pauti. When the allegations are regarding the forged document, no civil remedy is available. This fact is not considered by learned trial court. In that situation, cognizable offense of forgery is made out against the accused, and therefore it requires detailed police investigation. Hence, it is necessary to issue direction to PSO Police Station Parbhani to register the crime and carry out investigation under section 156(3) of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Hence, the order passed by the learned trial court requires interference. Hence, following order is passed. The petition is allowed. Order passed by learned magistrate in criminal miscellaneous application number 234/2017 on 13/9/2017 is set aside. PSO Police Station, Parbhani is directed to register the crime for the offences under section 415, 418, 420, 467, 468, 471, read with 34 of the IPC, and carry out investigation under section 156(3) of the Code of Criminal Procedure and submit report before learned JMFC (court number 3) Parbhani. Stop.